Have you ever seen the world's most advanced agricultural machines in action? Explore everything from smart planting robots to deep-sea mining machines and witness innovation at its finest. The Universal Onion Digger is a toe-behind machine designed for seamless maneuverability when attached to a tractor. It features adjustable blades that penetrate the soil, gently lifting and separating onion bulbs from the ground. The onions are then transported along a conveyor belt, where any remaining soil and debris are efficiently removed, before being neatly arranged into windrows for further processing. In 2015, Deere introduced the first version of the Anatis robot, with a significant upgrade released in 2017. This machine goes beyond mechanical tillage, offering continuous monitoring of soil conditions and plant health. It enables farmers to make smarter, more efficient agricultural decisions. The BB Unveltechnic Clementer Schwader combination is a powerful and versatile machine, used in agricultural settings, specifically for haymaking. This combination includes two essential pieces of equipment, the camshafter and the Clementer. The camshafter is a machine used for tedding and raking hay. It features a series of rotating teeth that lift and separate the hay, allowing it to dry more quickly and evenly. This combination machine enhances efficiency in haymaking. This machine takes over the planting of seedlings for you, saving valuable time and effort while ensuring precision and efficiency. Rayco stump grinders are powerful machines built for fast and efficient tree stump removal. Widely used by professionals in landscaping, forestry, and construction, these grinders help clear land, prepare building sites, and enhance the aesthetic appeal of properties. With their high-performance cutting capabilities, Rayco stump grinders deliver precision and reliability for even the toughest jobs. Kaweco is a Dutch manufacturer that specializes in agricultural machinery, including slurry tankers. The company's slurry tankers are equipped with a variety of features, including advanced suspension systems, electronic controls, and powerful pumps, making them easy to operate and maintain. These slurry tankers come in a range of sizes to suit different farm sizes and requirements, from small to large-scale farming operations, providing efficient and reliable solutions for manure and waste management. A XXD6 Carrot Harvester streamlines the harvesting process by efficiently pulling carrots from the ground, removing their tops, and preparing them for packaging or further processing. Typically self-propelled and operable by a single person, this machine features sharp blades, or knives that trim carrot tops at soil level, leaving only the roots exposed. A system of belts or conveyors then lifts the carrots from the ground and transports them to a sorting table, ensuring a smooth and efficient workflow for high-volume harvesting. The John Deere walking tractor prototype is a practical and innovative machine designed to help forest workers navigate rough, mountainous terrain, even in snow and mud. Equipped with 6 articulated legs, it can move forward, backward, sideways, diagonally, and even turn in place while stepping over obstacles. An intelligent computer system controls all walking functions, including direction, speed, step height, gait, and ground clearance, ensuring maximum versatility and efficiency. The XXD6 is the smallest piling rig on the market, specifically designed to work in extremely tight spaces, low headroom areas, and hard-to-reach job sites. Despite its compact size, it's equipped with a powerful engine and hydraulic system that deliver impressive torque and speed, enabling it to drill through even the most challenging soil and rock formations.
The Jagoda 300 Blueberry Harvester, built by Jaguar JPS Agro Machines in Poland, is a self-propelled powerhouse designed for efficiency and ease of operation. With just a single operator, this machine dramatically reduces the need for manual labor while boosting productivity. One of its standout features is its dual-sided harvesting system, equipped with two independently adjustable picking heads. This allows it to efficiently collect blueberries from both sides of the plant, ensuring a thorough and high-yield harvest. The Kaweco Scraper is a highly advanced and versatile machine designed for efficient material handling in construction and mining operations. Engineered to move large volumes of soil, gravel, and other materials quickly and effortlessly, this modernized scraper features advanced hydraulic systems, durable cutting edges, and precise controls for maximum efficiency. Built for versatility, it performs reliably in a wide range of conditions, including wet and uneven terrain. The Las Premisas Colombia Vitraki drive harvesting rig is a versatile machine capable of harvesting a wide range of crops, including cabbage. It combines advanced technology with traditional harvesting methods to ensure top-quality yields. Equipped with precision sensors and cameras, the machine accurately detects and harvests ripe cabbage while minimizing damage. This innovative approach preserves the quality of the harvested produce, making the process both efficient and reliable. Tamara Fresh Food is a leading innovator in the citrus industry, partnering with some of the world's top citrus packhouses to deliver cutting-edge solutions. Their advanced technology sets the standard for speed, precision handling, blemish detection, and sorting accuracy, ensuring only the best fruit reaches the market. Designed to process a wide variety of citrus fruits, Tamara's sorting and grading systems optimize efficiency and quality, making them a trusted choice for citrus producers. The broccoli harvester attachment for the Universe Commander 1 and 3 machines is designed for efficient and precise harvesting. It uses specialized blades to cleanly cut broccoli stalks at the base, minimizing damage to the crop. Once cut, the conveyor belt system transports the broccoli heads to a sorting table, where workers remove any remaining leaves or debris. This semi-automated process helps improve harvesting speed, reduce labor costs, and maintain high product quality. John Deere is a global leader in forestry equipment, providing innovative solutions to loggers and foresters around the world. The company's extensive product line includes harvesters, log movers, tractors, fellers, and chainsaws, each designed to maximize efficiency and performance in the harshest environments. The 2SP338 Transplanter, by Pure Agco Incorporated, is a machine capable of planting up to 12,000 seedlings per hour. It ensures precise seedling placement at the optimal depth. Designed for versatility, it accommodates various seedling types, including bare root, plug, and tray seedlings. With adjustable row spacing, this transplanter is a powerful tool for a wide range of planting applications, maximizing efficiency and accuracy in the field. The mobile chipper Gen Z M820DQ from Northern Launch of Sligo stands out with its impressive performance capabilities. Its chipping drum is powered directly by an auxiliary engine, while the crane and discharge fan rely on the truck's engine. The helix rotor ensures exceptionally smooth operation, and the newly integrated breakage protection on the counter knife significantly reduces the risk of failure if foreign objects are encountered. For commercial carrot growers and large farms, the G3B Carrot Harvester by Universo is the ultimate choice. It begins by using a specialized cutting head to remove the foliage before a series of picking belts gently lift the carrots from the soil. They are then transported through cleaning rollers that efficiently remove excess dirt and debris, ensuring the carrots are clean. This high-performance machine maximizes efficiency while maintaining top-quality produce.
The Gens SF Hacker Hem 821DQ Cobra Plus Hybrid is a robust and innovative wood chipper, designed for heavy-duty operations in the forestry and biomass industries. This powerful machine is packed with safety features, including an automatic shutdown system and emergency stop buttons, ensuring operators are protected from accidents and injuries while maintaining peak performance. The state-of-the-art Tamra 5B unit plays a crucial role in the production of ready-made Spanish omelets at the Funes plant. This cutting-edge technology ensures precise and efficient sorting of potatoes. Equipped with advanced sensors and intelligent software, the unit swiftly detects and removes any defects or foreign materials. By integrating this innovative system, the plant enhances efficiency and delivers a superior culinary experience with every omelet produced. Ucker is an Austrian company known for producing high-quality snow removal equipment for commercial and industrial use. One of their standout products is the milling rotor snow blower. These machines are designed to quickly and efficiently clear large amounts of snow from roads, runways, and other surfaces. The snowblower works by using a high-speed rotor to cut and mill the snow, which is then blown out through a chute. The TB1000 is a powerful snow removal machine, designed to clear large amounts of snow quickly and efficiently. Equipped with a robust engine and a self-propelled design, it effortlessly navigates through heavy snow and challenging terrain, making it an ideal solution for fast and effective snow clearing in harsh conditions. The John Deere 1050K dozer is a powerful and reliable piece of heavy equipment designed for the toughest earth-moving and construction projects. With its advanced features and cutting-edge technologies, this dozer stands out as one of the most versatile and productive models on the market. Whether it's clearing land, grading, or handling tough materials. The Vertkin W50RI is a small yet powerful milling machine designed for road construction and maintenance projects. With its compact size and advanced features, it is an ideal choice for contractors and professionals who need to quickly and efficiently remove old asphalt or concrete surfaces. The restoration process involves complete disassembly, followed by thorough cleaning, repair, and replacement of any necessary components, ensuring long-lasting performance and reliability. The Vögele Super 1400 Asphalt Paver is a high-performance machine designed for smooth and precise paving results. Ideal for contractors and municipalities, it offers a reliable and efficient paving solution. The machine uses a hydraulically powered conveyor system to distribute the asphalt mix to the screed, where it is evenly spread and level to the desired thickness. The screed ensures precise leveling and compaction, delivering a smooth, uniform surface. It's a great choice for asphalt paving. This is the Bulk Cutter, the world's first deep-sea mineral extraction vehicle. Designed to recover seafloor massive sulfides from the Bismarck Sea off Papua New Guinea, it operates by applying power via an umbilical from the vessel, enabling efficient and effective mineral extraction from the ocean floor. The Tesmec Evo Surface Miner is a high-performance machine engineered for precision mining and excavation. It excels in various applications, including surface mining, trenching, and road construction. Designed for efficiency, its compact size and superior maneuverability allow it to operate effectively in tight spaces. Built for durability, this machine delivers reliable performance even in the most challenging conditions. The Ecovolve electric dumper is a state-of-the-art, eco-friendly vehicle designed for various applications, including construction, landscaping, and agriculture. One of its standout features is its fully electric powertrain, which eliminates the need for fossil fuels and significantly reduces carbon emissions.
Did you enjoy this video? Don't forget to subscribe now so you won't miss out on more awesome content. Leave a comment below to share your thoughts, feedback, or just say hi. Hit like and share if you enjoyed it. Thank you for your amazing support.